I'll be talking about a package name called graphseda. To install the package, just run the code shown on the screen. This package contains a function called EDA underscore graphs. When you pass a dataset into the function, it segregates continuous variables and categorical variables and plots the respective graphs. So this function has three parameters. The first parameter is data, which is dataset, and the second parameter is variables. The user can input only the selected desired variables which he wants. File path is where you want to store the generated graphs. So in continuous variables, for continuous variables, the function plots, box plots, histograms, and CDF and PDF plots. Box plots are generally used to visualize the outliers and spread of the data. Histograms are generally used to check the distribution of the data. CDF and PDF plots are used to check the percentile of the data distribution. Categorical variables. For these variables, the function plots bar plots. This basically finds the mode of the data and then plots the pie chart, which is used to find the percentage of a level in the total data. So let's move into the R console. So in this project, I have to first load the graphseda library, and I'm importing the cars dataset. So on my first iteration, I'm only passing a single parameter, which is the dataset. So the graph which will be exported will be in the directory which is set for the project. So when I run this function, it returns car is categorical, MPG is numerical. This is based on the type of the data. So here I get the files which is created by using the functions. For example, cylinder is a categorical function. So I get bar plot of the cylinders and pie chart of the cylinders. So likewise, displacement is a numerical variable. When opening this, I get the box plot of the displacement, histogram, CDF of the displacement and PDF of the displacement. Over to the next parameter. So when I run the same function with specified number of variables or desired number of variables, so 1 to 6 is the choice which I have chosen here. So when I run this, it returns it generates only graphs for the 6 variables which I have selected. So these are also saved in the same directory. So it is saved in the same directory. The files have been overlapped. So when I choose to add another parameter, if I want to export the file into the desktop in a separate folder, I can give the file path into the function. I can choose how many number of variables I want to export for the graphs and the data set. So when I run this does the same function, but the graphs are generated in the folder specified by the user. So, likewise, so this is the function of the PD underscore graph. So by this we can easily visualize the spread and analyze the data. Thank you.